Ellen Adar na sinagot ang tanong ng kanyang mga followers kung bakit mag-isa lang siya magdiriwang ngayong Kapaskuhan, habang ang kanyang panganay na si Elias ay nasa piling ng kanyang amang si John Lloyd Cruz, habang ang bunsong si Lily ay kapiling naman ni Derek at ng pamilya nito sa UK.
So yaon ni Koan?
Ni.
Nag-video ka.
Learn from me. Don't rush. Pili, day. Pili. Diba? At least kung gwapo-gwapo, makaingon ka. Wala ay mabitaw na in love ko ito niya kay tungod gwapo, good. Da, shallow kayo. Kaysa batignaw. Nag-iilad po dyan ka. Masa mo ingon? Nabati po dyan siya na. Nag-iilad po dyan ko. Pili. Pili. Yes, Elias is spending Christmas with John Lloyd, and this is the first time ever na not divided iyang time, because before it was half-half. So yes, Elias is spending Christmas with John Lloyd, but he will be with me after Christmas, New Year's. Liana, I allowed Liana to go with her father's family because nakiusap man ang papa ni Derek dahil if Liana could go, if I could reconsider. At first I didn't allow, but he's sick and I don't want to carry that guilt because who knows what's going to happen. I don't want to carry that guilt na I didn't allow Liana to spend time with her grandfather. Can I sleep peacefully at night if something happens to him and I didn't allow her? So there. Fuck. Joke. Mamam means milk. Now it means food. John Lloyd is always Elias' father figure because he's present. John Lloyd is Elias is very in love with John Lloyd. They have a very close relationship. Elias is very in love with his father. So, when the breakup happened, so I thank John Lloyd today. Thank you kay John Lloyd, Like, imagine if you're not there. Imagine if you're not present. So, super na sila ka-close ni John Lloyd na to the point where when John Lloyd brings Elias back to me, Elias cries like, I miss my dada, I miss my dada. Ana, mana yan. Wako kiba pa dahi, but sigurado magpanty ko magbra. Actually, super chika na kami dahi. Kasama na siya sa GC. Manood na ako ng Unmarry Me. Okay. So relatable. Unmarry. Ask him. Hi, Austin. Hi, Kuya Austin. Day. Chika galore kay mi, day. She's so nice. Elias loves her. She's cool, she's so pleasant, and she's fun. Grabe ang sense of humor. So, chill recipe siya. So, Hi, Isabel. Ano pa yung mga chi? Natin? Hello? Anong namang ka din Gastok-stok ka na ko, ga-follow-follow ka na ko. Anong nakimaritas man ka sa akong life? Hindi ka yun, i-block ko. Para ka ma-block din mo. Para chill mong life niya. Peaceful mong life. Bad trip ka na ko. Si Galego. Fuck off. Stay away. Stay away from me. Stay away from my social media. Or if you see me, i-hide post, hide favorite whatever. Avoid me like the plague. That's the smartest thing you can do. Uy, nagbakasyon nag-iisya. Just kay tagal mong nawala, babalik ka rin. Hapit na siya mabalik, day.